Welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the latest addition to the Lexus family, the 2025 ES. This car is a game changer, and we can't wait to dive in and show you what it's all about. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Lexus ES is its sleek, aggressive design. The car has a new, more angular look, with a sharp, pointed nose and a curved, muscular body. The LED headlights and taillights give it a modern, high-tech appearance, and the 19-inch wheels make it look like a true luxury car. But it's not just about looks. The 2025 Lexus ES is also packed with some serious tech. The car features a new 3.5-liter V6 engine, which produces 302 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque. That's a significant bump up from the previous model, and it shows. This car can go from 0-60 in just 6.1 seconds, and it has a top speed of 130 miles per hour. One of the things that sets the 2025 Lexus apart from other luxury cars is its interior. The car features a new, more luxurious interior with features like heated and cooled seats, a heated steering wheel, and a premium sound system. And with features like a large touchscreen display and a heads-up display, you'll have all the info you need right at your fingertips. But what really sets the 2025 Lexus apart is its attention to detail. The car is built with high-quality materials and attention to detail, which gives it a premium feel and look. And with features like a new, more advanced instrument cluster and a more modern design, you'll feel like you're driving a high-end car. Another area where the 2025 Lexus really shines is its comfort. The car features a new, more advanced suspension system, which gives you a smooth and comfortable ride even on the toughest roads. And with features like a new, more advanced noise reduction system, you'll be able to enjoy the peace and quiet of the interior even at high speeds. Another area where the 2025 Lexus really shines is its safety features. The car features a new, more advanced safety system, which includes features like lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and forward collision warning. And with features like a new, more advanced emergency braking system, you'll be able to stop quickly and safely in case of an emergency. Overall, the 2025 Lexus is an incredible car that's sure to please even the most discerning drivers. With its powerful engine, advanced tech, and premium design, it's a car that's hard to beat. And with its comfortable ride, practical features, and affordable price, it's a car that's perfect for anyone who wants a luxury car without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Are you excited about the new Lexus ES? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.